Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making edible slime, and this is my dad.
Hello. And why do we have gloves on?
Because we're making edible slime, and we don't want to get like slime or anything.
Yeah, okay, gotta be clean.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like it's Kool-Aid brand slime. Let's see. I guess you can make 2 batches. Let's. You want to open it up? You open it
Yeah.
up. Yeah, you don't need them on just yet.
Alright, so we got all the ingredients set up.
Alright, what flavor we're gonna make?
We're gonna make tropical punch.
Awesome. Glad you didn't do grape.
This is the slime mix. This is the flavored pack. This is the confetti. This is the container that you'll put it in once you're done.
Oh, we're making a little bit of slime. Okay.
And this is gloves, but we already have gloves on, so we need these.
Extra gloves. Alright, let's see what the instructions say. It says open and pour 1 pouch of 50 grams secret slime mix into the mixing cup. I guess this is the mixing cup, right?
Yep. So,
yeah, just pour 1 pouch. So that's okay. Yeah. Yep. Pour it right in there.
kind of taste it in the air.
You taste it in the air. Alright, and then open and pour 1 pouch of either 5-gram flavor. So we have the tropical. So yeah, you want to pour the whole pouch of the tropical in there.
Okay, so.
Yeah, want me to open it for you? Okay, let me make sure it's all the way at the bottom. Yeah, I kind of taste it in the air too. Tastes like Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. You want to scoop it up? One well, you got 2 of them, so make sure it's nice and even. Yeah. 1.
Ooh.
Whoa.
It's turning red.
I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. Let's tilt it so they can see it. Ah, it's turning red. 2.
It's down.
Oh my goodness. All right. Go ahead and stir that up. All right, it says, okay, after adding 2 teaspoons mix with the dry ingredients, use the spoon and thoroughly mix the water into the powder. The mix will start to colorize and stick together after a couple of minutes of steady mixing.
That's working.
Yeah, seems like that's not enough water, but hey, following the instructions, let's see. So you want to tell your viewers where you've been while I'm mixing?
Yeah, I've been at school and have had a lot of breaks, and then after Christmas I wanted to try a new thing that I got, and I thought I should make a video about it since I haven't posted in a while.
Well, you're back now. You're back now. Well, this looks turning to bubble gum.
Yeah. Might not have to go that long ever again.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I feel like it needs a little more water. What do you think?
Yeah.
about 4 teaspoons in here and it's still dry.
I mean, that explains why it has a small container.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, it's stretching. It's stretching. Can you guys see that? Stretching. And so I can sprinkle it in there. Alright. Can you guys see it up here? I don't know how many. You want to do the whole pack?
Yeah.
Alright. Whole pack. I just... There you go. Squish it together and mix it together. Uh-oh. Got a rip. Uh-oh.
Still got a lot of noise, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez.
It's okay. He just keep going. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Little rip gloves. Not gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, that's some real sticky slime. I wonder what that texture's gonna be like when you're eating it. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, it's starting to get
Pull a piece.
Yeah, because you got some of that powder on your hand.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's messy.
Wish we had some more of that powder.
Oh, yeah.
It stop being sticky fast.
It's a little bit on the table here.
Yeah. I got a lot.
Yeah. It's a brand new tablecloth just for this slime, so we're not just wiping it on the random tablecloth, guys. Alright. Sticky everywhere. Alright, so I think it might be time to taste it.
Yeah. You can taste it.
You taste it first?
Just in case.
Just in case. Oh, he's gonna sacrifice me first. Okay. Alright, let's see. Little teeny bit. Here we go.
Is it good?
Not as sweet as I thought it would be. It's not bad, but it's not as... It smelled, like when we were making it, it smelled really sweet.
Yeah.
It's not that sweet. It tastes good, though. It's like... I don't know. What do you think?
Tastes like Kool-Aid, but...
Some unsweet Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
I think because of that other powder didn't have sugar in it. It makes it stretchy.
Yeah.
Definitely needs more sugar.
Do you think we could put some in here?
I think we need like ground up sugar though. If we put regular sugar, it's gonna be like gritty. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad.
After that, you just need it with my hand, cause...
Yeah, go ahead. That's yours. Go ahead. You're gonna get it on your hand though.
Yeah.
Hey, your channel. Do your thing. It's not bad.
Stick it to my hand.
Make sure you don't have any plastic inside. I got you. Sticking to everything. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna get off.
It's not. It's not. Show the camera. Show the camera. Oh my goodness. He is stuck in the edible slime.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that is. He probably could have kept his gloves on. maybe.
Is yours sticky?
Very.
Might as well just eat this. Alright, this was a good video. Slime tasted kind of good, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. But
it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Not as sweet as I thought it would be. Pretty messy. You have slime all on your lips, in your hands.
So, if you haven't subscribed already, please do that and leave a like on this video and hit the bell icon to get notified once I post again.
Alright, more videos coming, guys.
See you later.